Got a P42 at one end, and we got a, looks like a Genesis engine on the other. Looks like that's going to be our primary engine, leading the Heartland Flier to Texas, which is awesome. Superliner. Yeah, they're getting the train ready for us to board now. You don't see these engines a whole lot anymore. I need to get a front view shot. That would be awesome. Yeah. Okay guys, it's me. I'm back and I'm up on top deck now. Got Amtrak Genesis, it looks like, number 500, pulling and leading a Heartland Flier to Texas on this day of 7/14, or that's the time, 9/2, September the 2nd, 7:15. And got my tickets. There's the train. I was down on below deck, and I'm gonna put these tickets in here real quick. They don't blow away. We got Amtrak Genesis, I believe is what this is. Number 500. I like these engines better than I do the P42. This station here, the one I'm at, is Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Santa Fe station. Superliner. And there's the other set of tracks. It's on the service track right now. They're getting the train ready for us to board on. You can see all the cars. I was just recording train. Why? What's up?
I just wondered where you were going, because you can't go much further past this point. You can't walk all the way to the end because we're off the platform.
Okay.
The yellow line. Are you going all the way to Fort Worth?
Yeah, why?
In Fort Worth you can get the entire train.
Okay.
You can only go as far as the yellow block is down.
Otherwise I have to stay on this other yellow line.
Oh well. I just need to see what number it is. On this end, we got Amtrak P42, number 114, trailing us. So, I'm just going to go right back down here so I don't get in trouble. And there's from once I once was. Sweet. I don't know how they got this truck up here, but Superliners. Just sights and sounds of Oklahoma City. Stand back of yellow line. Yes, I do know that. Awesome. I don't see these engines very often anymore. And now I'm back. So we got Amtrak Genesis engine number 500 leading Heartland Flyer, and we got Amtrak P42 engine number 114 trailing us. So, well guys, I'll see y'all later.